Hello guys, you're watching my channel called Strandix, and in this video I wanted to show you the website Protoweb that allows you to open old websites on your old computers like Pentium 3, Pentium 2, or which have operating systems like Windows 98, Windows 2000, maybe Windows 95. And the thing is that it is really interesting project because I've heard they also wanted to create somehow an old version of YouTube that will be completely working, and you could watch, for example, old videos in your old browser like Internet Explorer 3, 4, or maybe 5. And they even have their own browser that allows you to connect to the old versions of websites using your modern operating system like Windows 10, Windows 11, even Windows 7, because for these versions of websites I think they are very modern. So if you want to test it on your old computer, just go to Protoweb, read the instructions, and maybe download their browser or change your proxy settings like they advise you. So, and leave a message or comment about what do you think about this project. I think it's really great, especially if they complete their mission, if they complete their goals. It will be really great to use old computers that right now can't open modern websites. It's like they bring back to life all those old computers that we have somewhere in our houses with lots of dust and so on. So try it yourself. You have just watched my channel called Strandix. Please subscribe and please push the like button. Thank you.